Peace and love, everyone. This is Sister Iman. I am dropping another video. In this video, there's a storm could dump up to 100 inches of snow in Tahoe. And I'm going to read you this article. A major winter storm could dump up to 100 inches of snow in Tahoe. After a dry start to winter, Lake Tahoe in the Sierra Nevada are forecast to see heavy snow dump as a significant winter storm sweeps the mountain range, the National Weather Service said. The Winter Service issued a winter storm watch from 4 p.m. Saturday to 4 p.m. Tuesday. The storm is expected to impact travel in the area beginning on Sunday, when travelers along the U.S. Highway 50 corridor will first see conditions deteriorate, with strong winds and whiteout conditions. Drowned trees and power outages are also possible. The storm will then move south and affect conditions across all of the Sierra by Monday. Travel will be difficult to impossible, the service warned. Areas below 600 feet can expect a mix of rain and snow with periods of heavy rain. Higher elevations will see several feet of snow, and images released by the Weather Service Sacramento office show that some areas could see 6 to 8 feet of snow. Lake Tahoe and Truckee are expected to receive 36 to 48 inches of snow, while Twin Bridges and Echo Summit will see 60 to 80 inches. Carson Spur, Kingval, and Donna Summit could record as much as 80 to 100 inches of snow. And what could be good news for ski lovers, Kirkwood is also forecast to receive 80 to 100 inches of snow. The Weather Service recommends that residents and visitors avoid travel, caution that you could be stuck in your vehicle for many hours. If you must travel, the alert continues. Prepare for long delays and carry an emergency kit with extra food, water, and clothing. If you stay home, have a backup plan in case of power outages. The National Weather Service is also predicting a weaker system to move into Northern California on Wednesday and Thursday. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to post the link to this article in the description box. I will close out this video. Like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.